Supercharge your real estate investing by mastering Propstream lists and integrating them directly with your calling strategy. First, let's dive into Propstream and build a laser-focused property list. Log into your Propstream account and navigate to the main search bar. Here's where the magic happens. You'll access a vast array of filters. Start by defining your target location. You can enter zip codes, cities, or even draw a custom area on the map. Now, let's refine your search. Think about the type of seller you want to reach. Are you looking for vacant properties? Properties that have been owned for a long time? Or perhaps for foreclosures? Select the criteria that align with your investment strategy for this tutorial. Let's focus on vacant properties. Once you've applied your filters, Propstream will generate a list of matching properties. Take a moment to review the information displayed. You'll see essential details like the property address, owner's name, and estimated market value. Now, let's create your targeted list. Look for the Add to List button. Click this, and a prompt will appear allowing you to name your new list. Choose a descriptive name, like Vacant Properties, My Target Area. You've successfully created your list within Propstream. This curated list now holds the key to your next motivated seller. But simply having a list isn't enough. The real power comes from connecting with these potential sellers. Propstream often integrates with or provides tools for exporting your list data. Use the owner's name and address from your list to initiate a direct outreach. This could be through cold calling, direct mail, or even personalized text campaigns. Tailor your message to the specific situation you've identified through your Propstream filters. By combining the power of Propstream's targeted list building with proactive calling strategies, you're not just marketing. You're generating high-quality leads and streamlining your path to making deals. Start building your lists and making those powerful connections today.